Hey guys, welcome back to Lomelli Armory. Today we're going to do an unboxing and review of the 1913 Picatinny Adapter for the Masterpiece Arms Defender. Alright, so this was shipped by A3 Industries. Again, this is the 1913 Picatinny Adapter for the Masterpiece Arms Defender. It's going to come shipped in this really cool box. So, accessory, A3 Industries. Let's take a look inside. You have an MRE. This is where the Picatinny rail and accessories are going to be housed. We also have the A3 Industries sticker. And they actually end up giving you a disclaimer. So please check with your federal, state, and local laws before using this product. All right, let's go ahead and open up this MRE from A3 Industries. So that. And here we have, that's everything. So here's another A3 sticker. Then here is the adapter plate. This is the 1913 Picatinny rail. And then we have all the hardware included here. I definitely give A3 Industries points for putting their products in this MRE bag. I just think that it's really unique, really nice. Here's the rear performance facts, all 100%. And down here, Masterpiece Arms Defender, rear adapter. I just really like that. That's a really awesome package.